In this video, I'm going to help you fix a Pioneer flat screen TV that no longer powers on or the screen just stays black. Follow me to the very end because I'm pretty sure I can get your Pioneer to work. Now, if you have your remote control in hand, now every remote on the Pioneers look a little bit different, but I want you to find the display button. So if you think that you are getting a little bit of hearing and you could actually hear it or a little bit, but the screen's black, I want you to hit the display button firmly once, and then I want you to hit the left key button, then the up, and then the left again, then the right, and then hit power. And see if you're able to get anything that comes on the screen. If not, no big deal. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a soft reset. And what I want you to do is unplug the Pioneer from the wall. And I want you to give it a good minute. Leave it unplugged. And then after it's been a minute, I want you to plug it back up. Now, if it doesn't turn on then, what I want you to do is try a different device on this power outlet here that you got your TV connected to, and try a different item. Try like a hair dryer, or try a TV, a phone, anything. And if you're able to get it to work, then you know it's probably your TV. If you're not able to get it to work, then it's most likely your outlet has been, the fuse has been blown, and what you need to do is go to your circuit board in your home, whether that's a home or an apartment, find the circuit board, and then maybe it tripped, and go ahead and turn it back on, and then see if your TV is able to work. Now, after you did that, you've tried all that, go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall again. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a power surge on the Pioneer. And we're going to do it by two ways. First of all, with the remote, we're going to point it at the Pioneer, and we're going to hold down the power button for 30 seconds. And we're going to keep holding it down. We're going to release, and then we're going to locate the power button. Now on the Pioneers, some of them are located down here below the Pioneer logo, but the vast majority of them are going to be over here. And then locate the power button, and then hold it here, and do a power surge onto the power button on the physical TV, and hold it for 30 seconds. And then release, and then what we're going to do is plug her back into the wall, and then see if you can get the Pioneer to work again. Now, if you're not able to get it work again, what we're going to do is we're going to heat up the components. So unplug it from the wall, get you a hair dryer if you have one, and we're going to use high air medium heat. And what we're going to do is go on the very back, and of course every Pioneer is different. Some of the vents are up here, some will be over here on the bottom, but everywhere I see a vent, I'm going to blow air into it while the TV's unplugged. Now I want you to do that for a good 10 minutes. After you do it, please be patient. Do not plug it back into the wall. Keep it unplugged for a good 30 minutes. Everything's cooled down. Now what that does is it does two things. First of all, it blows the dust off of the components. And number two, it actually heats it up a little bit, and it changes the chemistry of the components inside just a little hair rather, in order for it maybe to start working again. Alright, then turn it on, plug it back in, and see if it works. Now, if you've tried all that, I want you to physically look at your power cord from the Pioneer, and if you're able to, unplug it from the back of the TV, and you should with most Pioneers, and it'll expose the end of the plug. And this one is a figure 8, and this is actually called a non-polarized AC power cord, symmetric figure 8. What I want you to do is look around your house and see if you've got another one of these connected to another electronic. They go on HP printers, Epson printers, Xboxes, PlayStations, coffee makers. There's multiple different items it goes to. Temporarily bar it from that device and then plug it into your TV. You're not going to hurt anything. It's got surge protectors on it. And see if you're able to get the TV to work. If you did, then you know it's just your AC cord you need to replace. You can get these for less than $10 on Amazon or eBay. I could put a link in the comment section just to where you can get it. If it doesn't look like this, it might be a polarized cord where one side looks like the X. Same thing. You can get the polarized on Amazon or eBay. It actually looks like a square, rather, on one side. And then you might have like a 3-prong. Again, you can get the 3-prong that looks like a triangle on Amazon or eBay, again, for less than $10. All right, thank you for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for me.